next Ayurveda is the science of life. I'm directly start my presentation. Ayurveda is the science of life, and we all know that life starts right from the birth. All human beings want happiness in their life. Happiness is the ultimate goal for all humans. Happiness is of two types. One is Dukha Nivrutti and another is Dukha Virodhi Bhava. As long as this...
Madam, will you put in that slide share?
Hello?
Will you put in that slide share mode?
Ma'am, please shift to presentation mode, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, please go on.
Okay. Happiness is of two types, that is, one is Dukha Nivrutti and another is Dukha Virodhi Bhava. As long as this principle concerned with Chikitsa Shastra, health is happiness and unhealth is misery for the body. Sukha Sangnakam Arogyam Vikaro Dukham Evacha. Ayurveda aim is also possess the same, that is Swasthasya Swasthya Rakshanam Aturasya Vikar Prasamanam cha. Ayurveda is having 8 branches called Ashtanga Ayurveda. Kaya Balagrahor Dhvanga, Salya Danstra Jaravrusan. Komarbhritya is one among the 8 branches of Ayurveda. Acharya Susruta defined Komarbhritya as Komarbhrityam namam Kumara Bharana Dhatri Kshira Dosa Sansodhanartham Dushta Stanyagraha Samuthanam cha Vyadhinam Usamanartham. The definition itself indicates the identification of Komarbhritya. Acharya Harith adds some more upakramas in the field of Komarbhritya, that is Garbhopakrama Vijnana and Sutikopakrama Katha. Garbhopakrama means knowledge about management of Garbha is necessary for coming child. And Sutikopakrama, it is also necessary because at this stage baby gets nourishment from mother. Baby can be saved from Adi Bala Pravutta Vyadhi if it's considered from embryo conceptions. Dietary remedies are given in a natural way, and if woman follows Garbhini Paricharya, she can be protected from Yoni Vyapada and child can be protected. This is like Janma Bala Pravutta, Sanghata Bala Pravutta Vyadhi. In the field of Komarbhritya, childhood is the foundation of the building of life. The rate of the growth and development of the body during childhood is highest and most important. During this period, physical and mental development continues at the same place. All the paricharyas shown in the Komarbhritya are followed in every stage. From healthy conceptions to puberty to adolescence, child gets optimal state of development physically, mentally, and socially. So he can complete at his most effective level, and this is the importance of Komarbhritya. Kashyapa is the exclusive classical textbook on Komarbhritya. According to Kashyapa, Komarbhritya is considered as Adya Tantra of Ayurveda among all 8 branches, and it's compared with Havyapa. Komarbhrityam Ashthanam Tantranam Adyam Uchyate. Ayurvedasya Mahado Devanamiva Havyapah. To acquire knowledge of a single subject of Ayurveda, one has to study various references in Samhita. Here, most of the topic related to child health like Lehana, Posology, Kshiradrushti, Vedanadhyaya, Rasayana, Aushadha, Dhatri Chikitsa, Ahara, type of drinking water in various seasons, and Balagraha are covered by Acharya Kashyapa in Kashyap Samhita. Thus, this Samhita contributes a lot in the field of Komarbhritya. Go through Samhitas, there are many references regarding the principles for child health care. Some of them are here. Navajat Shishu Paricharya, Pran Pratyagaman, Ulva Nirhan, Nabhinal Kartan, like methods carried out at the time of birth. Nowadays, it is carried out in the hospital. Though our Acharya knows the method to simulate baby. Here, Parisheka Snan and Raksha Karma should be applied nowadays. Parisheka, Prasuti Kleshitam Chanu Bala Telena Sechet. Prasuti Klesh is a part dominant condition. So, Parisheka of Balatela can help to remove Prasuti Klesha. Snana means here cleaning the baby with Kshirivruksha Kasaya and with warm water reduces the chance of infections. Raksha Karma. Here Raksha Karma, the methods apply for the prevention of many kind of mental disorders. According to Acharya Vagbhat, to protect from Graha Bada, child should not be threatened. Kumaragara and Kridabhumi described in our ancient classics. Here Kumaragara means here where child should be kept in a septic place. And ಕ್ರೀಡಾಭೂಮಿ ಸಮ ಕಾರ್ಯ ನಿಶಸ್ತ್ರೋಪಲ ಸರ್ಕರ ವೆಲ್ಲೋಷ್ಣ ಕಣ ಭೂಮಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಾ ನಿಂಬು ದಕ್ಕಿನ ಬಾ. Outdoor playing activities must for the growth and development of the child. So our Acharya mentions about playground. Nowadays, children to keep himself busy with TV, video games, mobile, etc. Here, parents should encourage the child for outdoor games. Samskaras, 16 type of samskaras mentioned or given in the religious books. Here, Jat Karma, Namkaran, Niskraman, Upavesan, Falaprasan, like samskaras comes under the pediatric age group. These samskaras indicate stage by stage development of the child. So go through these samskaras, we can observe the development of the child. Poshan. Nutritious food must be necessary for proper growth and development. Failure to provide adequate nutrition during growing age adversely affect the child's development. Child do not get proper nutrition due to poor condition, lack of knowledge about nutrition. Normally, home diet is good for the child. After giving proper nutrition, if child does not attain proper growth, family relation and psychological disorders should be checked out. Acharya Kashyap mentioned ahar as a mahabhesajam. न च आहार समम किंचित भेषजम उपलभ्यते. Acharya Sushrut defined the stages, that is Kshirapa, Kshiranada, Annada, according to step-by-step nutrition for the growing age. Kshirapa, the stage which child is exclusive on breastfeeding. Child should be fed whenever they feel hungry. Matureva pibet stanyam tadbalam de ruddhay. Mother milk is essential for increasing growth and strength of the child. For proper nutrition, स्तन्य should be pure. अव्याहत बलांग आयुर रोग वर्धते सुखम शिशोधात्रिनापत्ति शुद्ध क्षीरस्य लक्षण. संभवती महारोग अशुद्ध क्षीर सेवन. So dhautam ishad parisruta. Cleaning the breast and expel out some strength स्तन्य to prevent secondary infections, and for that Acharya gives स्तन्य शोधन औषधि for दूषित स्तन्य. What is the alternative for स्तन्य? स्तन्य भावे पयच्छागम गव्यम पातद गुणम पिबेत ह्रस्वेन पंचमूलेन स्थिराभ्याम वा सीतायुतम. First and foremost alternative of breast milk is dhatri. If both are not available, God's milk and cow's milk should be given to the child. Kshiranad and Stanapanaya. Athena Jatadasanam Kramashopanayat Sana Purvoktam Yojet Kshiram Annam cha Laghu Grahana. The child should be taken off from the breast milk gradually to feed with other foods. Prenana Modaka, Dipana Modaka, and Samagrahi Modaka are advised at the time of weaning. In Kasyap Samhita, Satya Ahara should be given according to Desha, Kala, and Agni. Kshiranad Avastha, Chaturagni may disturb due to Ahara. So during this period, Lavana and Sneha should be given in the diet. Beginning of Annad Avastha, Yusha should be administered. Dantudbhedasya sarva rogayata. Teething is often accompanied by unpleasant symptoms in young child. Dantut bhaveshu rogesu na balam atiyantret swayam upsamyati jat dantasya yadgadaha. Most of the diseases are self-limiting. However, treatments has to be adopted depend upon the patient. Pipali churna, dhataki pushpa and amalki with honey for external application is indicated. Vedic Shamatva is most important point for the child health. Vyadhi Kshamatvam Nama Vyadhi Balavirodhitvam. Power of the body which prevents development of a disease. Child is not most vulnerable to infections, and child comes with the contact of bad things. Excessive exposure to continuous increase the risk of getting sick. Sukham Dukham hi balana drashyate lehanashray. Lehan should be given to the child for curative as well as palliative aspects. Suvarna Prasanam Hetan Medhagni Balavardhanam. During Suvarna Prasana, it increases Medha, Agni and Bala. It is important for growth and development. Bal Rasayana. Labhopayo hi sastana prasadina rasayana. Application of rasayana promotes the health of child from very beginning. Here Prasana, Lehana, Raksha Karma, Karna Vedana, Bal Rasayana have been said to possess the ability to boost immunity of a child. Despite after following all above mentioned principles, child get diseased, following general principles of treatment should be applied. Dose should be according with the age. Shodhan drugs should be avoided. Samana Ausada is the best. Nature for medicine should be sweet, astringent with milk and in mruduguna. Shodhan of Dhatri is to be performed when Kshirada, Kshirana gets diseased. Some vihara like child should be prevented from Agni, child should not be harassed, child should not keep in a danger place. Abhyanga, Udvardhana and Snana should be carried out in daily basis. Abhyanga with Sneha at night gives sound sleep. Child should be handled with care. बाल संरक्षण बाल स्वास्थ्य शारीरिक एवं मानसिक स्वास्थ्य should be considered. Disease occurred during childhood can be solved by proper nutrition and updated knowledge of child health care. For that, primary prevention, secondary prevention, health education, proper nutrition and proper medication should be applied. For preventive aspects, awareness about nutrition and health should be necessary. Develop Vedic Shamatva for preventive aspects, immediate diagnosis for not established diseases, proper treatment for specific disorder, make effort for the proper development of the child. Some of the responsibility of society is also to provide water and milk, that is community responsibility, healthy habits, samskar, parents' responsibility, proper education during adolescence age, society responsibility, periodically health checkup for proper growth and development, prevent from premature birth, congenital anomalies, accidents, and food poisons. For mental health, Anagat Vata Pratiseth, Pragna Paradatya, and Achara Rasayan should be followed. Rules and regimens given in the Samhitas, that is Garbha Sambhav Samagri, Garbhini Paricharya, Navajata Paricharya, healthy atmosphere, proper nutrition, Stanya Sampat, proper caring, Raksha Karma, Samkaraj should be followed for proper health for the child.